Just another little video here. Remember I was saying the audio was bad in Donkey Kong? Well, here's the audio amp board, and I just want to focus in right on this big capacitor there. And you see that stuff that's coming out the bottom? This capacitor actually exploded. So, you know, that's pretty much the problem there. Now, I'm not going to just replace this one capacitor. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, plus the big one, are all going to get replaced on this board. And when I do that, I should have good audio. So I just wanted to share that with you. Real quick video just to follow up on finding the problem.